Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share with you how to make a wallet that no zipper. It's easy for beginner to follow. Only 3 pieces of fabric and some fold and the interfacing. So I'm going from little fabric to big. So I have cut in here that 5 inches wide by 7.5 inches long, the solid fabric. And then here I have cut 7.5 inches by 8.5 inches. This one I'm using for the flap, but it's going to connect in here. And this solid fabric I have cut 7.5 inches by 20 inches long. Right side facing up. And I'm going to place this solid fabric on right side facing together. The 7.5 inches that you're going to sew this, a quarter of an inch seam allowance, sew this one. And then after you sewing this a quarter of an inch, flapping this out, placing this over, and you're going to sew this too. Quarter of an inch seam allowance, sewing this to connect 3 pieces together. After I sew on this and this, I'm going to spread this out and iron on the sew line here. This is simple, good for beginner to follow. So everyone, after I iron around, after we sew and iron, it come out 7.5 inches by 32. And I have cut in here 7 inches by 31.5. So the two ends, this end, a quarter of an inch behind that, I'm going to iron this on. So quarter of an inch. I just want to make sure everything is clipped because it's long, so you can see a quarter of an inch all around, all the way from start to end. So this is the side. I'm gonna roll down because it's too long, everyone. So I just want to make sure that you seeing when I place this together, you can see that we have a quarter of an inch at the end. And then around the side a quarter of an inch, and then this end also a quarter of an inch. So you're gonna go and iron the whole thing. It's long, but you're gonna make sure that you're going to iron this for me, and then after that I'll show you what to do. Just iron the whole thing. So everyone, after I iron the interfacing in here, so the end here and the end here need to be full, but I'm doing the one on this side, the one that with the main fabric here, a quarter of an inch. I'm going to fold it down, that where the interfacing stop. I'm going to iron this quarter of an inch, and then one more time, just fold quarter of an inch. Then on this side, the one with the big long pink one, do the same thing. So fold it a quarter of an inch, iron this, and then fold it again and iron this. And then after that, you go into top stitch on the side. Do that to the other side too. Everyone, after I top stitch in here, and then the other end, I also top stitch here too. So let's do some marking. The first one here, I'm going to mark 4 inches. And then here, 4. And 4, 1 4, second 4, third 4, and another fourth 4. So 4 inches 4 times, and then 3.5 2 times, 3.5, another 3.5, and then 4, and then the rest is 4. Yeah, I'm gonna do down here too, so I can cut and do some folding. I like the summer, but the summer is so noisy with all the construction and everything. Oh my goodness, it's so loud. So 4, and then 3.5 and 3.5. It's just exactly the same, but I just want to mark so I can have everything even when I fold. Alright, so now I'm gonna go and cut just a little bit on the side, so when I fold I know exactly where it is. Cut the bottom here. Don't cut too much, just cut good enough for you to fold. So everyone, I'm gonna flip into the right side so we can do some folding. So same way, I'm gonna go to here. The first one, I'm gonna fold it where I cut the 4 inches here. The first one, the 4 inches. I can press this down so I can iron. If you want to do that, you do feel free to do so. That's the first one. That's why I cut, so I can follow the cut here and the cut here. And then the second one, this is the second 4 folded. Make sure when you fold, the 2 sides is staying. You see this? And the next one, the 3.5. The cut is here, and the cut is here. Iron this. So it's sort of like up and down, up and down. So now you see, we have this fold and this fold, and then this. So everyone, now this is look like this after I fold, and now I'm gonna open to show you. So I have 2 folds in here. The first fold, you gotta go and top stitch, and then the second one, top stitch here too. So everyone, after I top stitch on this side and on this side, I'm going to put it back where we folded. We're gonna finish this wallet in just a few seconds. Now bring this side over to meet over here. Go all the way over. Make sure the sole line are touching the sole line and everything match. Because the interfacing, you're going to go very slow and low heat too. You see the 4 inches right in the center. You can just iron on it. But the main thing is that make sure this side here, the sew line match and everything. You're going to sew, this is the forward of flap. You're gonna sew it from here all the way down. And on this side, all the way down. Follow the interface and sew. As I mentioned in the last video about YouTube, I don't know, without YouTube, I don't think that I can meet so many of you here. That is so great that I have people all over the world since COVID-19 until now, and you continue to support me, and this is the place that I can come here and find some happiness after my mom passed. And this is the whatever she taught me, and I use this to just the other way to thank her for teaching me. And also I'm using my time and to share with other people. So a lot of people watching my video to make things to sell. So I'm very happy about that. I think my mom will be happy too if she's watching me. I think she is watching me every day. Now I'm gonna go and trim on the thick area right here. Okay, now I'm gonna go and inside out this. You have to open so you can see that the right side is right here. Okay. Put your hand in and take this whole thing out. You see how this easy? I make one before with one fabric only, and now this time you do two, and the flap with the different colors. This is easy, everyone can do. I have to say many times, if I say it's easy, if I can do it, everyone can. And I'm not a seamstress, I'm just so. Like this, and then when you see this something like this and with it opening, you're gonna bring this flap over to this side to go over this craziness, to push it out. Everyone, this is what look like after I iron and everything. So this one have a pocket here, and then this one have a back pocket. So cute. So I'm gonna go and mark an inch away from here so that I can fold it down and iron. I'm gonna go and top stitch, but I'm gonna mark here. See, now I'm right here. Okay, that's the 1 inch. You're gonna go and top stitch this part right here, top stitch all around, and top stitch it down to here. So after I top stitch around here, and that's the 1 inch that I mark, I'm going to flap it down so that it for the flap. And I'm going to iron this. Very cute. So how easy that is. If you want to add the wristband, remember this is the fold before we fold in 1 inch right there, 1 inch, add the wristband right here. So the 2 in here, and then you sew, you know what I mean, it's here 1 inch above this. 7 inches, so it's 3.5 inches, and going down 1/2 inch. I'm going to sew the magnet button. Just so you know, everyone, I have a new video come out every other day. So today Wednesday, and then the next video will be Friday, and then Sunday. So make sure you keep that in the calendar. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. When I finish sewing that side, I'm going to flap this down. Make sure everything is good, and then I press. I have the mark right here. Then I can do exactly the same and sew on this side. On this one, you can go from in and out, and sew it because it's inside. You don't need to slide the needle. On one side, you can go in and then you come in and out, but hold like this, okay? And that for that. And then after that, center, I go up and 3/4 up and ends right here. I can add the name tag to it, and then also sew on this. This is sew. So it right there. That way I'm going to add the name tag, and I sew exactly the same way I sew the button. So everyone, after I sew in the name tag, you can sew the name tag any way you want to here too. And then the button, the magnet button, I sew on this side and then also on this side. So this wallet, the side from one side to the other is 7 inches, and then down it's 5 inches, and the whole thing here, this is 7 inches and 3/4, and it have this pocket right here, and it have another pocket in the back. So let's just put the card in there. You can put the whole bunch of card in, and I have some chain to put in there, and then the view open wide, and it still have room. And then snap button. Go to the other side. It have another pocket here. You can put your phone in there. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all of you that support my channel and my second channel. Your donation, your comment, and like the video, truly appreciate it. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Love you. Stay safe.